Hey everybody, it's Neil, and today I have this is a rake set. I'll show you guys what we've got here. It's gonna be like a thatch rake, so it's gonna have some pretty heavy duty teeth on it. These are some robust teeth, so like that. You can see, very nice iron teeth. And it comes with a hole for it. I guess, I don't know what it is. Zip tie on one. Here's the hole, and what does it say here? Do not discard the screw accessories. Okay. So these are it's gonna screw into each other to make this thing happen. So we'll go ahead and assemble the pole. Oh, that's gonna be the top. There we go. So there, now we have the full extension of this. And then these are gonna go through here, and we're going to screw it through there. Okay, so let me lean this down there right now. Get the screw kit out. Okay, so we've given 3 screws, even though it's only going to take 2. So that's kind of nice when it gives you an extra. And we can screw that on. That's it. Tiny little nuts. Okay, and it does come with a little wrench and a screwdriver, so we're going to go ahead and use their tool here and tighten it up. Okay, got one side on. Okay, so we have an extra screw and nut here. I guess that's just for fun or something. So let's just put those over the side. Okay, and here we go. So we have it here. This is nice. Let's go show you guys what it looks like when we have it outside. It's a yucky rainy day, so I'm not gonna do too much of it, but I'll lean it up here against my car to get this video for you. But you can see we have this. I can go ahead. I need to mow this lawn, but if I would be able to go like that, and it's gonna pull all the thatch, all the yucky stuff out of my lawn. So I'm just gonna go over my lawn with this, and it's gonna go and pull all the little dead stuff out. So it's kind of cool. So that's what it's gonna do. So it's a good thing to do like in the spring and stuff like that once you have all the dead stuff over the winter. This is mostly just mowing my lawn at this point because this is so long. But you get the idea. So you have that, and then you have a short end there too. I can use it even to get rid of some of the weeds in my little area here. You can just use it for various things, but it's very cool. So nice to have a good thatch rake. So this is good, and it's got a nice long handle, and it's got a little rubber end and a little hole on it there. So if you don't like the length of it, you could take off one of the segments too. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.